Oh wow, they have quite a few. These are new. These are huge. These are new too. And these are pretty big. Now the thing with this is, you saw that? I like these. You can put these on your door, on your reef. They're light enough where you can put these on your reef. These are not. These are really like for the table. That's cute. These are new. Those are new, and these are definitely new. These are thick too. Fresh apple cider, and they also have pumpkin. I'm gonna take this one. Punch. I really like those. And then they have, oh, look at these. These are cute. I like this one. But yeah, those are definitely new. Right there. Okay, you guys, so we have the fall. It's already up at Dollar Tree. So let's go step by step. So if you guys are decorating for fall, the wreaths are in the bottom. Dollar Tree has your back. How cute are those stickers? This is very cute. This is just adorable. The pumpkin, and then you have your little add-ons. These are so cute, you guys. For all you crafters out there, paper crafters, this would be cute to put on there. Okay, so we have a couple of the drinks. I like this one. This one's so cute. It reminds me of Christmas. This one's cute. Then they have the leaves as well as the signs. I don't want to miss anything. This is cute. They have it in the wood tone and also in the white. Let me get back a little. Look at the beads, you guys. Look at the beads. Look at the gnomes. Okay. Chi-Town girl, this is all you. This is so freaking cute. You know what? I'm gonna put this in my, I was gonna do a giveaway for my birthday. I think I'm gonna add this. This is just adorable. I'm gonna take this and I'm adding that to the giveaway. The giveaway will be a mix of fall, a mix of Halloween, a mix of me, you know, a little bit of all the good things. So if you can't find that anymore, I got your back. I'm gonna add a couple things there, so I'll go shopping once I'm done filming this for you guys. Look at the mesh at the bottom. Look at the little gnomes. Oh, you know what, you guys? They have different ones. Okay, so we have to make a mess. Oh, that one says welcome. And they have another one. How adorable is he? I'm sorry, but I'm having trouble. Oh my god, he is the cutest little thing. And they have one more. Oh, adorable. I'll take pictures of all of them because I'm sure there's more back there and put it on my Instagram. Then they have the little gnomes here. How cute are they? I'll take pictures of these as well and flip them around so you can see it on my Instagram. How cute is everything? Okay, so these are adorable. You could put these on your two-tier tray or just on your kitchen table, you know, when you're cooking. Yeah, these are adorable. Let's see what else they have. Look at you guys, they already have fall. That's cute at Dollar Tree. That's cute. That's cute. That's pretty. I would definitely DIY this one. Okay, you guys, so this is the $3 and $5 at Dollar Tree. So it's $1. This is either 5, 3, but this is cute. And I had to show you. You see the price on there says 3. The leaves are 5. Cupcakes. They have quite a few stuff. This is the first time I see it here. The $5 section. So I just thought I would show you what they have. I'll take pictures anyways and post them on my Instagram. So go ahead and follow me there. I'll leave the link down below. But if you guys see anything you like, let me know. But yeah, so Dollar Tree is really moving on up. So cute. But yeah, they have this little section here. So I just had to show you really quick.